Good Thursday evening, Southwest Arkansas. Welcome back, Southwest Arkansas weather. Let's talk about what's in store for the next 6 days in tonight's evening weather blog and a more in-depth outlook at your Friday Night Lights forecast. And we're going to talk a little more about what could be in store for Friday night, and let's talk about that. So starting off on Friday, we may have some rain chances as we go throughout the day, but rain chances are going to be highest in the evening and overnight time frame, 70% chance late during the p.m. With forecasted highs on the warm side near 99 degrees, but I would say in the upper 90s, mid to upper 90s looks like a good possibility, with overnight lows in the lower 60s. Cold front comes through, and that's going to put highs down into the mid 80s or lower to mid 80s, with the 60% chance of some morning storms decreasing to 30% as we go throughout the day there on Saturday. On Sunday, partly cloudy skies. We've taken out the rain chances for the rest of the upcoming period. Forecasted high is going to be in the mid 80s really throughout Monday or throughout Sunday and Monday, lower to mid 80s there, with overnight lows in the 50s. And then on Tuesday and Wednesday, we start to slowly warm back up with some highs in the upper 80s, lower 90s, and overnight lows in the lower 60s. So real quickly, let's show you the data behind all this and talk briefly about what we have in store for your Friday Night Lights forecast. And before we do that, I do want to pull up the severe weather outlook for tomorrow. As you see, well, that's actually today's. As you see for tomorrow, we do have a marginal risk across most, or actually all of our coverage area. That is a 1 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Taking a look, there is no tornado threat for Arkansas on this. That is more located over the Kentucky region, and no large, or well, now a small damaging wind risk with this as well. But the main threats with this are damaging wind gusts and some small hail. That's the main threats with this here at this time for tomorrow. This is one model. This is the HRRR model. This is what forecasted future radar could look like as we go throughout the overnight hours and into tomorrow. Remember, it's not perfect. It just helps us get a general idea on what could occur as we go throughout tomorrow. Taking a look at this, you can see maybe some rain early Friday morning and maybe some throughout the day there, but really maybe some more thunderstorms potentially right around that football time frame across far southern portions of the coverage area. So maybe some rain chances for the football games, and into the overnight hours is when those rain chances are highest. This only goes out so far right now, 30 hours into the future, but you may see that damaging wind look with this. It does have that little bit of a bow echo maybe overnight. So that's something we'll have to keep a close eye on overnight about that 1 a.m. or really just after midnight there across the coverage area. Potentially we'll have to watch that closely. But just know rain chances are going to be highest between, I would say, really Friday night into Saturday morning, and then decrease as we go throughout the day. Once again, I do think we see up to, most of us, a quarter to half an inch of rainfall. Some isolated amounts of 1 to 2 inches will be possible as well with this. We'll have to watch that closely. Taking a look at the North American model and showing you what that is showing for later for tomorrow. This will show you, give you a little bit of a different, let's let it load here. Taking a look at this, we can see maybe some chances of rain early tomorrow afternoon and into tomorrow night maybe, but really the North American model shows better chances for rainfall as we go into the overnight time frame. So we'll have to watch that closely. As you can see, rain chances clear some in the afternoon there for your Friday or Saturday. We'll have to watch that closely. Which one's going to win out? Is the HRRR or the North American model? We'll have to keep a close eye on that timing, and we'll keep you updated with the newest on all of that. But that's going to bring us to the end of today's Outlook. So we're going to say a big thanks, as always, to our sponsors, Patterson's Credit Union, Southern Dumpster Rental, Landmark Insurance Agency, Palmer's Roofing, and J&S Auto Supply Bumper to Bumper. Big thanks to all of them for helping us get this information to you guys. Big thanks to all of our supporters for helping us get this as well. If you like what you see here, hit that subscribe button. Check us out over on here on YouTube and Facebook and Instagram and TikTok. We'll be here tomorrow evening with the live nonstop radar coverage throughout the overnight on Friday night into Saturday morning due to that small chance severe weather. Nothing major, Just maybe a chance of some gusty winds and some small hail. But we'll keep a close eye on that. Cooler temperatures are possible this weekend. We slowly start to warm back up, though, as we go into the later half of next week. We'll have more on that as we go forward throughout the period. Have a great rest of your Thursday night. We may have a video vlog tomorrow night, or we may do it Saturday and Sunday night. I'm not 100% sure quite yet on what the plan is there. We'll keep you updated, though, with the newest. Have a good rest of your night. Thank you guys very much for trusting us right here with your source for all things Southwest Arkansas weather.